Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we are doing this Halloween makeup look. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. Yes, and let's do it guys. So keep it locked as you see how I did this look. Now I'll start with my eyebrows and I'll do one eye on camera and another one off camera. So I'm using this Divas eye pencil.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
And for the concealer, I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. That is to clean my
online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I was safe and sound.
So now I'm done with this eye here. So let me do this other one off camera. Then I come, we do the eyeshadow. So now I'll cover the gel with this the black shade. So let's do that.
I was safe and sound. We were on the run.
So now I'll blend with this sleek palette here. Take another brush. Then smoke it out.
And we just slow down. The only thing I'll do.
And to finish off this smoky eye, I'm going to blend this color here, this shade, up here. Then go in with the sleek palette, the black shade, which is in powder form, and smoke that out. Now it's time to do my lashes. You can see that smoky eye makeup look. Yes, so now I'm using the NK lashes. So I'll do that very fast. And for the glue, I'm using this Divas Cosmetics magnetic eye glue. This one, the eyeliner.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do.
So guys, that is my eye look. So we are done on that. So let's do the face now. And for the face, I'm using this masking tape here.
Embrace the love we found.
Like so. Then on this other side, the same. And I'm going to create that smoky look here. Yeah, just watch and see how I'll do it, guys. Enjoy watching. I'm going to use a primer before I use my foundation, and I'm using this Divas Cosmetics primer. So I'll just prime just this part here.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it.
Because I'm starting off with this part.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things on.
Next, I'm going to use this foundation here. This is Maybelline Superstay in the shade Warm Coconut.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and ours.
I'm going to set it using this Wet n Wild setting powder.
And we just slow down for you.
So now I'm going to smoke this part here using this sleek palette in the shade Black. So let's smoke it.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you.
Then I'm going to blend out with this shade here. This is a kind of brown shade to create that ombre look.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so.
So now I'm going to remove this tape. Whoa, can you see that line there? I know it looks weird, but yeah, let's wait for the final look, guys. I'm using this LA Girl white eyeliner, and I'll create that line just here. And I'll do the same on this other side. Next, I'll do the primer now on the rest of the face.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it.
For the foundation, I'll be using the same foundation, yeah, the Maybelline Superstay in the shade Warm Coconut.
We're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do.
For the concealer, I'll do the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn.
And
set with this setting powder here. For the nose, I'm going to draw with this eye pencil, the black eye pencil, then fill it in with an eyeliner. So let's do that.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just...
I think this is much easier when blending. Blend that.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found.
I had already moisturized my lid, so I'm going to set that with my setting powder, just the same powder that I used on my face. Then set this area here. So let's proceed and do those lines on the lips. Now I'm going to conceal in between the lines using the LA Girl concealer in the shade beige.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to...
And my makeup is done, guys, so I'm going to contour my face and also use a blush.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so...
Guys, this is my final look. Yeah, it was that simple. Let me know what you think about this look on the comment section down below. I really love it. Now after this, now you can put a mask or something or just a crazy wig, then you're good to go for your Halloween. Do you love it, guys? It's just simple, not so scary. See you on the next one. Bye. Love you all.